Wow, this is harder than I thought. This is going to be a lot of work. That's how most people work. Most people work that way. And that's why most people aren't successful, because they don't understand what kind of work is really necessary to build a skyscraper. The kind of effort that's going to be put forth. You're going to sweat. You're going to get dirty. This is going to be hard. But that's also what makes it great when it's finished. That's why I love doing it. Because it's so nice to look around at what you've built once it's finished. Most people just don't want to do the work. Then, once we have that in order, we need to work on a next very important piece. Extremely important. And that's communication. We have the analytical people, the all-mental people, that think about everything in great detail. Some of the all-mental people right now might be thinking as the skit goes on, you know, Greg, not all those bricks are lined up perfectly. You really need to move commitment back so that it sits in the right place. They've been consistently checking the spelling of all the words. They may want to know how many granulars are actually in each one of these cinder blocks. The all-mental people that overthink things and need to have all the details of everything. Then we have the emotional people, the people that want to save the world and help everybody and sing Kumbaya. And these people are the best friends in the world. You know why? Because they're the only people that actually listen. You can go tell them all your problems and they'll listen. And they'll be happy to do it. And they'll hug you and say, it's okay. And I'll do anything to help you. And then they will help you. And then you have the social people, the fun people. People want to have a good time. The people that if something was misspelled, they wouldn't know anyway. They don't really care. Just as long as we do something fun again. The fun people. And then we have the financial people, the aggressive people, the driven people. They want to get paid for everything they do. And if you notice, the social people are next to the financial people because the social people, they spend financial people's money. They don't want to do the work. They just want to find someone else that wants to do the work and hang out with them. Yes, we have some in the crowd. I have one at home.